Hey guys, let's start with a new lab, which is multi-step process with a no access control on one step. Great. The lab is an admin panel with a flow multi-step process for changing the user role. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging into user credential administrator admin. To solve the lab, login using to solve the lab, login using at your credential Viner Peter and exploit the flow access control to promote yourself to become access administrator. Okay, the lab is an admin panel with flow multi-step process for changing the user role. Okay, this is the most important. Okay, and you can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging into the user credential administrator admin. Okay, no problem. So let's do one thing first. Delete each and every request. Okay, let's do one thing. Access the lab. Okay, so what is happening? Let's try with same gray box pen testing. We can say administrator. Let's click on admin panel. Let's try to upgrade Carlos or take an upgrade with Carlos. Okay, no problem. We have to promote ourselves, na? Okay, Carlos cooperate karte hain. Then we have upgrade. Are you sure? Yes. So there are two things. Okay, there are two things. Mm, then admin, get admin. Okay. I think it was get admin, then admin roles. Acha. So this is the first request. Then this is the second request. This is the first request. This is the second request. Okay. So this is the first. This is the second. Shall we try to do any of the access control? Let's see what will happen. The lab is an admin panel with flow multi-step access control for changing the user role. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by login to credential this. Solve the lab, login using the credential Viner Peter. Exploit the flow access control to promote yourself. See, this is the first request. Okay, where Carlos is admin upgrade user, then it shows yes or no. Okay, now let's do one thing. Now you have understand how the thing works. Okay, let's try to log out once. And let's try to access Viner and Peter. Okay, great. Let's click on my account once. Let's go to the proxy. Let's click on this. Let's copy the session token. Shall we do one thing? Shall we do one thing? There are two requests, correct? This and this. If we try to do this here, what it is showing unauthorized. Okay, no problem. If we try to replace the session cookie here, okay, and here directly we can say Viner. Let's see what can happen. Oh, we solved the lab. So what? There are two things. See, don't think one more time. Don't think that you will find this Carlos admin downgrade user or something. No. In real world, what you will find, I will tell you. There are multi-step process. First thing, okay, where in first step is asking for the credential. Second thing is asking for the confirmation. Thing is asking for something like confirmation or something like. Basically, what you are trying to do, what the main thing is, you are directly going to the third step. You are just skipping the second step. Okay, where this skipping the second step can lead to broken access control, can lead to privilege escalation or something. Okay, lead to privilege escalation or something. Here what is happening, yes, session token, yeah, definitely open private copy the non, definitely you in the real world, if you say to the manager, your manager will, how attacker will find admin cookies. Okay, definitely, and this vulnerability will go into info. Okay, but you have to convert this info level vulnerability to critical in some way. Okay, main thing you have to learn from this lab is definitely session token should be binded to each request. Basically, admin right should be binded with each session token or not with another. You have to understand, main thing is whenever there is multi-step process in multi-step process in while login and while doing any activities, while doing payment or something. Okay, can we skip one step and directly go to another, and directly go to another? Is it possible? This is the main thing of you have where you will carefully focusedly you will understand each and every functionality of an application. Okay, where you will trying to bypass the one step to another and check whether things are being accessible or not, things are being accessible or not. That is the main thing you have to understand in this lab. Okay, so here we are skipping one step and directly going to another step. Okay, and just we have just directly using this second step, and the winner is being promoted, and it should not happen. Okay, this should happen. Okay, in terms of criticality, definitely you won't be getting the attacker session cookie. Okay, so it will go into the info level vulnerability. But and the second thing, uh, directly skipping first step to the another, and if suppose somewhat you find this functionality, try to do some privilege escalation or something. Okay, where you have to show the impact, not just a vulnerability. Okay, so that is the main thing. Just understanding the concept, the main concept here we have learned, and the things we have learned is understanding the process, understanding the multi-step process, how it can happen, and where we can lead to broken access control. Okay, so guys, I hope you got the point. Thank you so much for understanding this lab. Welcome.